word you've given me. I praise you each and every single day, that I might prove myself worthy to enter into your kingdom as son of Elohim. Forever will I bless the holy name of Yah for the grace you've given me.
Lift your voice in adoration.
Lift your voice in adoration.
Lift a voice of triumph, shout hallelujah. Sing praises unto Yah.
Let your voice ring unto Elohim.
The name of Yah.
Glory, hallelujah.
Song we sing, all praises unto Yah.
No one knows what tomorrow brings. All we have is here and now. So if your heart is filled with hurt and pain, let's come together and work it out. If you have aught with your brother, don't let the sun go down. For only through his law can we live in harmony. Let the word of Yah show you how.
Lift your voice in
Sing.
adoration.
Lift your voice in adoration. Extol the name of Yah.
Hallelujah. Sing praises unto Yah.
Let your voice
ring unto Elohim. Proclaim the name of Yah.
glory, hallelujah, is the song we
All
sing.
praises unto Yah.
Love, faith, joy, and kindness, long suffering and peace. In fellowship with my brothers, let me walk in these.